So what are you gonna do now?
I wanted to kind of lay down, low key, and I want to put these, like right here, like that.
Okay, cool.
Type thing. I forgot my sheet. Otherwise,
I think this will be better though. As long as you don't care.
I think right here's good, and it's not wet.
Right here?
Yeah. So this way, right?
Yeah. Oh, it's not even that.
Ooh.
Okay. Set the shoes on my back.
Actually, I think it's cute when they're just like this.
Okay.
Princess in training. That's what the inside of the shoe says.
Yeah.
Cute. Or you know what? So
There you go. That's even better.
really cute.
The things our photographer has to do.
But it's like every single time I end up like this, you realize, right? Like every time I do a shoot, I'm always like weird on the ground.
You need me to go in there too?
You
I
can
hope
sit
not.
down and behind me.
I hope not. I don't want to do anything sitting down. Pictures, I mean.
Are they coming out? Okay.
Yeah, they're cute. Can I just like look up to the sky?
With my head too?
Yeah, like with your whole head. Yeah. There you go. Close your eyes.
You got grass hair.
Actually, that just looks like you're dead.
Oh god.
Oh no, no.
You want to like sit up?
Yeah,
sit up,
halfway
like,
sit up.
sit up like Indian style,
Okay.
and then hold them on top of your belly. Okay, like towards me. Actually,
Do you want to sit behind me then?
that would be cute for these
Yeah.
ones.